What's up guys, welcome back to Austin Makes Stuff. This week, got a really exciting one for you. So now that I've got my shop completely painted, it looks fresh and I wanna keep it that way. I wanna keep it clean. About a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years, my mother-in-law got me this Harbor Freight dust collector. And today we're gonna open it up, see what's in the box. So stay tuned. So I've literally had this box, this huge box, for almost 2 years now, just sitting in my storage. I'm finally able to get it out, put it together, and get it working. And that's gonna save me a ton of space. So let's see what's inside. So this is a huge box. First thing we see, I think this is the base that everything goes on top of. So let's put that to the side. All right. So we got a lot of stuff right off the bat. Let's start with the blower. This is obviously the brains of the machine. This is the blower motor. Let's get that out and set it to the side. This is the Y connection. Now, for this Harbor Freight model, it's a 5-inch connector that goes into the blower motor, and then these are 4-inch connectors that come off of it. So let's put that to the side. This right here is gonna be the connector, or I'm gonna call it a baffle for lack of a better term. The motor blows air into here, spins it around. Basically the dirt, the sawdust falls into a bag, and then the air gets pushed up through a filter sack. There's a bracket. I got the gray model. It's pretty awesome. Here's a hose. So this is a 5-inch hose that goes from the actual blower motor to the baffle, what I was calling the baffle. But this is the connector that goes between those two. Let's see what's in here. I think this looks like this might be the last piece here. Nope, there's more underneath. So we got all kinds of odds and ends. So this is gonna be the connector that connects the bag to the baffle, the plastic bag and the filter bag to the baffle. This looks like a handle of some sort, and then also a hose clamp. Looks like there's 2 hose clamps in here, one for the connector to the blower motor and then one for the connection to the baffle. There's some huge casters that come with it, so that's awesome. Here's an adapter that goes from the output of the blower motor into the hose that goes to the baffle. Various nuts and bolts. Again, various nuts and bolts. Comes with a couple of Allen wrenches. The manual comes with a plastic sack to catch the sawdust, and then the filter sack that filters. Oh, okay. So this is kind of the stands and the pipes that hold everything upright and together. So that's it. This one holds the bag, the filter bag up. And so that's it. Thank you very much for watching me unbox the Harbor Freight dust collector. I've got a few other videos coming out on the dust collector itself. I'm gonna be showing you how to assemble it as well as modifying it. And I'm also gonna be hooking up an entire dust collection system to my shop out here. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of those videos. I put out new videos every Sunday, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.